Hello, my name is Kelly Lanham-Friedman, and I am your art and art history librarian here at San Jose State University. I am making this video for upper division art students in the course Writing About Visual Art, but it may also be useful for any art or art history students doing research on artists' writings. The subject of this video is JSTOR. JSTOR is a database which provides access to more than 12 million academic journal articles, books, and primary resources in 75 disciplines. It is important to note that art research is not the only focus of this database, but through JSTOR you can access hundreds of art-specific journals such as Aperture, Art Bulletin, Art News, Bomb, the Burlington Magazine, the Metropolitan Museum of Art Bulletin, and the J. Paul Getty Museum Journal, to name a few. JSTOR is a starting point for many researchers because it is one of the most trusted, highly used platforms. Users viewed and downloaded more than 20 million journal articles in 2018 alone. So, what are you going to find in JSTOR? First, you're going to find many reliable scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. Their collection features full-text articles from more than 2,600 academic journals across the humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Journals span continents and languages, with titles from 1,200 publishers in 57 countries. Additionally, you are guaranteed a certain amount of quality you might not find searching other databases. JSTOR content is curated, and all journals must meet specific criteria and undergo a review process in order to join JSTOR. This includes journal rankings, as well as in-depth examination of research and citation data. For the most part, JSTOR is going to be your most reliable source for quality articles when doing your research. Last, you're going to see consistent full coverage of each journal in JSTOR. This means all issues from Volume 1, Issue 1 on are provided for every journal, including all previous and related titles. As a result, many journals on JSTOR have greater coverage than what is available through other providers' databases. Their material is available consistently, so you won't visit the site one day, find something you want to download, and not find it in there a year later. The material will remain on their platform for the foreseeable future. Another resource available on JSTOR is their collection of ebooks. Through this database, you have access to more than 85,000 ebooks from renowned scholarly publishers, including exclusive books released by publishers only available in their database. In this collection, about 5,800 of these are open access, meaning that even if you are not a student at SJSU, you would still be able to access this content at no cost. Another perk of their ebooks is that they are much easier to use and view than ebooks in other databases. It is common that other databases require you to download ebook viewing software or place restrictions on how many users can view a text at once, or even how many times you can view it yourself. In JSTOR's database, ebooks work just like journal articles, with unlimited simultaneous use, PDF downloads and printing, and no need to log in or use special software. The last resource I want to tell you about is JSTOR's Primary Sources Collection. A primary source is a document, image, or artifact that provides first-hand documentation or evidence of a historical event. An artist's writing is considered a primary source. JSTOR has millions of primary sources within 4 main primary source collections. They are Global Plants, 19th Century British Pamphlets, Struggles for Freedom, Southern Africa, World Heritage Sites, Africa. While these collections may not seem pertinent to your studies in art, JSTOR has many other primary sources, specifically artists' writings, which you can find doing an advanced search in the database. Thank you so much for watching this instructional video. In later videos, I will show you how to access JSTOR as well as how to perform basic and advanced searches within the database. For frequently asked questions, you can reference a handout available on the user guide website I have created for this database. My contact information is on the screen. If you have any additional questions about JSTOR or art research in general. I was once an art history student, and I know how hard it is to find quality resources when doing research. I am happy to help and hope to hear from you soon.